A warm welcome to everybody. Thanks for tuning in. This is the opening bell, guys. I'm Ashley Reeve here. Remember, the information we discuss in this video should not be construed as advice in any way. It is opinion, guys. Welcome to the opening bell. It's so good to be with you here this morning. Well, let's get into it. Jules, I see you there. A warm welcome. Guys, we are officially on the NFP day. We've been waiting. We've been wanting to see what's happening. We're getting a mixture of information. We know that the dollar has weakened. We're seeing a bit of strength come in this morning. That's due to geopolitical tensions rising. The rate cuts is expected later, not now. And this seems like it's giving the dollar a bit of strength because we had chatted yesterday and we saw that, you know, the job cuts were quite significant. So it seems like the dollar strength is, you know, it's coming from somewhere. And so we got to wait for it. We got to wait to see. We are not blind. We are not, oblivious to the fact that, you know, many of the assets that I'm about to show you is actually more bullish. So if there's any dollar strength today, then it would be more of a short-term boost, and then obviously looking at some of these assets appreciate later on. So we're seeing the 1 month high dollar strengthening. I mentioned to you now that the Fed is expecting, or at least the market expects the Fed to keep the rates unchanged this month. One of the reasons is it seems like the U.S. job data still looks resilient, and investors are waiting for the official report. All right, so strong dollar pressures is being seen on the other currencies. You can see on the yen it's there. But the Japanese economy also has its own weaknesses at this point in time, with the uncertainty of the rate hike on that side is also causing a bit of a weakness with the yen. So it's not necessarily only the dollar that is actually doing this. We're also seeing that there is a lot of the stock futures that is pretty flat. Wall Street is showing a bit of a rotation there in their sectors. So investors are taking profits in expensive tech and AI stocks. Defense stocks in specificity rose on higher military spending plans, and that goes without saying. We had Venezuela. We're having a lot of, chats about Trump is speaking about the armed forces. You guys know about that. It's in the news. He's saying they're the best. Nobody can take them, etc., etc. And we're seeing a lot of that pan out at this point in time. Now, the other thing that we also need to know from a yen perspective, it weakened past the 157 per dollar. Stronger U.S. Real wages in Japan fell, limiting those rate hike expectations, which I've mentioned. So we're seeing a bit of a movement to the upside. The silver is really just at a point now where you're seeing the 76 level hold. We're seeing the gold. We're seeing a level hold right now at 4460. We were as low as 4415 yesterday, and we've come up significantly, creating a new high here. So it's going to be interesting to see what really happens this afternoon, all right? The US 30, we have seen it come down for a correction, and we want to see what's going to happen now to the upside. Will there be an extension? The same with the NAS here. We've come down yesterday. We found a bit of support at 25,456 points on the index, and there might be a push to the upside. All right, BTC, or at least crypto, the front runner here is still at that resistance. We spoke about it yesterday. Nothing has changed over here, guys. So we're really just looking at what the job data will be today. All right. Very interesting. We will be having our crypto decrypted session as a hybrid this afternoon with the NFP. Remember, crypto decrypted is every Friday, guys. We speak crypto, only and exclusively crypto. We chat about the platform that TDME currently has that you can obviously get signed up with. And what's important about that one is, guys, we want to make sure that everybody is in tune and everybody knows the opportunity there. So we'll be starting at 2:30 today. We'll be having a great hybrid there. First half will be on crypto, then we'll be dealing with the NFP. But you'll see how we actually go about doing it, So just make sure that you tune in. And then, just enjoy yourself, and let's get in and see what the NFP has to hold as well for us this afternoon. All right. But that's it from me this morning with the opening bell. Bit of strength in the dollar early this morning. Let's see if it's sustained or if it's cut this afternoon. Have a fantastic one. We'll see you guys a little bit later. All right. We'll see you guys a little bit later. Have a fantastic one now there. Ashley Reeve, I'm signing out. Ciao, ciao.